Hi everyone, welcome back to the Crafty Author. My name is Anissa. I am the Crafty Author and welcome to my craft room. Today is Sewing Talk Tuesday. We're going to chat about some things that I've been working on in the craft room and also some things that might help you with projects that you are working on currently. So we're going to just jump right on into this right now. The hats that I've been working on. So I did a tutorial last week on how to make the hats and the scarves. And these are like last minute Christmas gifts. And I myself am making some last minute Christmas gifts. These are awesome. They're so cute and they're warm and I love them. 2 yards, what I'm finding is that 2 yards of fabric will make 3 hats and 3 scarves. And if you want your scarves to be longer than the 36 inches, or I think it's 45 inches that I've been making mine at this point. I made one at 36. Now I'm making them a little bit bigger at 45. But if you wanted it even longer than that, you could sew 2 pieces together and you could really make it a long scarf. In that case, you're not going to get 3 scarves out of 2 yards of fabric. So just think about your math when you're trying to do this. But for me, I am actually finding that the 2 yards is working out very well for 3 hats, 3 scarves. Just wanted to share that information with you. So I have made a few more. I've put my Crafty Author tag on it, which I think looks really cute. I wasn't too sure, but now I'm pretty sure that I am pretty much loving that. So there's that. I'm also putting it on the scarves. I am working on a scarf, well, 2 of them right now currently. And then I have this one. I love this fabric. I think it's so cute. Fleece. I did go to Joann's and pick this up. They had a sale. They had their fleece on Doorbuster, $2.99 a yard. Really, really good deal. So that's where I got this, in case you were wondering. And also, for fringing, I showed you how to do it with pinking shears, but I've also had this June Taylor fringe cutter that I've had since we used to make rag quilts with tying them. You would put 2 pieces of fleece together and you would cut the fringe and then you would tie them in a knot. I used to make those all the time. I love them. I still have a bunch of them here at the house and I still use them. They last for a very, very long time and they are really, really warm and they're a great gift. So if you have one of these June Taylor fringe cutters laying around, I would suggest using this. So that's how I was cutting the fringe on the top of this hat. And it cut it perfect, you know. So I would suggest using one of these if you've got it laying around. I had totally spaced it out that I had this. And I was like, oh, took a look behind here and all my ruler stuff. And I was like, interesting. So for those of you who have never seen one of these, I think you can get these at Joann's still, but I'm not sure. You line up on your seam line, or you just line up where you want to line up. Like I said, I sew that little seam on my hats and my scarves, and then I line up like right here with this black line, and then I just put my rotary cutter in between and just start cutting. And you can actually choose, if you wanted to make them even chunkier, you could just, you know, do like a row here and then a row here and then a row here. But I like mine thinner, so I'm just going in right there. So I think these are 1/2 inch. Yes, these are 1/2 inch. So 1/2 inch spaced. Just thought I'd toss that out there. Next thing that I found, I'm so glad I found this, is a weight. This is a 5-pound weight. I've been using this to help me cut the fleece. And what I do is I set it down on my ruler. This is a trick that I actually learned from Donna Jordan of Jordan Fabrics. I have to tell you, it's brilliant. So you just put it down on top of your ruler and it holds it in place so that you can cut and it's not sliding all over the place and you're not like killing your arm, you know, trying to hold everything down. So it's a brilliant quilting tip. And I highly recommend it. Let's see what else. I know I'm just flying right through here, just chatting. What else have I done? I've worked on a few more Christmas gifts for family members. I cannot show them to you because they're for family members. And I do have family members who watch my channel, so I don't want to give away what they're getting for Christmas. I did want to talk to you about a couple more things that are going on. This is my list of all the neck pillows I still need to make. I'm so behind. I'm so behind. And what's going to happen is I'm going to get so tired. I'm going to be like, I just want to go lay down, and that's what I'll do. I have t-shirts that I'm still working on for Christmas gifts for family members. And I did want to share with you with this. I was able to get a couple more of these Sophie's Pumpkin Patch table runners. So I have 4 of them left. I had a little bit of fabric left over and I just went ahead and cut it and made the kit because these were really, really popular. This has everything that you need in it to make the kit or to make the table runner. It's super cute. I know it has pumpkins on it, but you know what? I still have mine on my table and I have my Christmas mousse on there and it's super cute even with that on there. So if you're interested in this is in my Etsy shop. These are $59.99, perfect for a quilter, or maybe even yourself if you're interested. But like I said, it has everything that you need. It's got the binding, the backing, it's got the stabilizer, the instructions, all the pieces that you need to put this together, along with the heat and bond on the back of them. There is a tutorial on how to do this. Comes with the borders, everything you need. It's in this bag. The only thing missing is the thread and the sewing machine, but there's that. Also, I want to mention, if you order this from my store, my Etsy store, $59.99 plus free priority shipping. All right. The next thing that I want to discuss is AccuQuilt. Today, and today only, if you purchase let me back up. If you spend $250 or more, you get a free Go burp cloth die. The free Go burp cloth die is what I have been using to make my neck pillows. I've also used them to make burp cloths, but I had this idea and I was like, I bet that would look really cool with my burp cloth dies. Now, it's not the same as what I did for my pattern that you were able to download off of my website. That's a little different. I modified my pattern. It's got sewing marks and whatnot. But when I am in a hurry to make neck pillows, like I'm going to be here real soon, I use my burp cloth die to cut them all out, and I will show you what that looks like. This is what it looks like. Okay. This die is normally, I want to say $90. And if you spend $250, you'll get it for, like I said, you get it for free today only. So AccuQuilt is doing their 12 days of Christmas. If you're interested in that, great. Let me check one more thing. All right, so the other thing I wanted to check before I told you this was I wanted to see if this fit the Go cutting machine, and it does. So that burp the burp cloth die does fit the Go cutting machine. You need to use, if you're going to get that free burp cloth die, you use the code DAY3. All right, it'll tell you on the website. Also, currently AccuQuilt is they're still having a very big sale. You can get the Go Big fabric electric cutter. That one is $150 off, and it is also the Go fabric cutter, the one that has the windy, what am I trying to say? It's got the handle that you use. It's not the electric one. But that one is priced very well right now. It is normally $299.99, and it is currently on sale for $149.99. So if you are looking to get an AccuQuilt cutter and you don't want to spend more than a certain amount, then I would really highly suggest taking a look at that. Just letting you know about the sales. They're having some really, really great sales. They're also having some great sales on their dies too. Still, they've had some great sales since November. So I'm actually pretty amazed at how awesome they are. And that's what I was checking, was to see as if you were to purchase that machine, the Go, if this would work in it. And it does. So there is that. All right. I am an AccuQuilt affiliate, so if you purchase anything through my links that are listed down below, I do make a small commission. All the money that I make from those sales, I put back into the craft room so that I can bring you more great content and purchase supplies for the craft room. And also, I do not work for them. I buy all of my own dies, my own cutting machines, everything like that. So I just love their machines, and I think they're worth the money. So that's my personal opinion. Anyhow, so I think that's just about it for me today. I did want to mention something real quick that happened over the last couple of days. I have received some messages that are not real kind. And that's okay, because I normally just let things like that just roll off my shoulders. I don't really get caught up in negativity. I just basically just remove people who are negative from my life. I don't have a place for it. So, but I want to remind everyone that people are going through a lot right now, and to be kind. And it is the holiday season, and people are going to struggle, and you don't know what somebody's battling. So I just want to throw that out as a reminder. Be kind to yourselves and be kind to others. So that's my message for today. Just be kind. That's it for me. I am off to go finish making more gifts. I hope I can get through this, because I feel like it's like a never-ending pile of projects that I have given myself. So it's craziness. Anyway, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Click that little bell. You'll get notified each and every time that I upload a new video. Don't forget to share, because sharing is caring. And keep on crafting. I hope you're able to get through your own holiday projects, and I hope you have a wonderful rest of your week. Be kind to yourself, be kind to others, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.